Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see your Klarna purchasing power or purchasing limit. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am not logged in and I am on the PC site. I don't know how to do this on the PC. It is pretty much the same as on the phone, and I cannot show you since Klarna isn't available for me, but that shouldn't bother at all. I will explain everything in high detail. So what purchasing power is, it is basically the amount of money that you can take out as credit from Klarna, or rather how much you can use for purchases, and which you will need to, for every purchase, give back to Klarna in several payments. Just like the process or the application has been thought to work. So yeah, the purchasing power is the amount of money that you can maximally pay. You can see it by actually going into Klarna, logging in on the app, and I think on the PC in the browser. Just log in and access your account. Once you access your account, by clicking on mobile phone, I think it's the small U button in the bottom right. And once you, pretty much the same as Instagram. So once you click that, you should be navigating to your account, and once you're there, you should see the purchasing power which is available to you. It is green. I think the background of the purchasing power is green, so just navigate to the green field and you should find it. But yeah, that's been about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.